In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. This tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of interacting with Meta AI on your WhatsApp desktop application. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to start using this tool to get answers to your inquiries, generate creative content, and amplify your group chat experiences. Let's begin with how to access Meta AI. On your WhatsApp desktop application, look towards the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice several icons, and one of them will be the Meta AI icon. When you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. This simple action will open up a chat window dedicated to Meta AI, setting the stage for your interactions. Now that you have the chat window open, you're ready to communicate with Meta AI. Consider it your personal assistant. It's responsive and eager to help. Simply type in any question or request you have and press enter. Meta AI will swiftly generate a reply tailored to your query. This can range from factual information to conversational responses depending on what you ask. This feature is particularly handy for quick queries or if you're curious about something on the spot, but perhaps you're interested in more than just textual replies. Meta AI has a creative side too. To utilize this, you can generate images directly within your conversation. Here's how. Type "imagine" followed by a vivid description of what you envision. For example, you might type, "Imagine a futuristic city at dawn," and then send it. Meta AI is designed to interpret your description and produce an image that matches it. This can be an excellent tool for visualizing ideas or adding creativity to your projects. Group chats can also benefit from the capabilities of Meta AI. If you're in a group discussion and want the assistant to contribute, it's quite straightforward. All you need to do is type @MetaAI followed by your prompt. This signal will notify the AI to join the conversation and provide a response right there in the group chat. It can offer clarifications, participate in discussions, or even provide lighthearted interactions based on your needs. By using these features, you can make your WhatsApp experience both informative and engaging with the help of Meta AI. Whether you're looking for information, inspiration, or conversation starter, Meta AI is a versatile tool that adapts to your needs. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you're as excited to explore the possibilities with Meta AI on WhatsApp as I am. Feel free to experiment with these features and see how they can enhance your digital communication experience.